In this video, I will show you how to get the fiscal year from a date in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. Now I want to calculate the fiscal or financial year from these dates in this column. In many countries, the fiscal or financial year does not start in January. For example, in India, the fiscal year starts on 1st April and ends on 31st March of the next calendar year. The current fiscal year is April 2024 to March 2025, also referred to as the financial year 2024-25 or FY 24-25. Since the financial year is ending on 31st March 2025, it is also referred to as FY 2025 or FY 25 on the basis of the ending year. So, April to December 2024 belong to the financial year FY 2025, while January to March 2024 are part of the previous fiscal year FY 2024. To calculate the financial year from a date, we first need to extract the year from the date. Once we get the year, we need to determine if the month number is greater than or equal to April. If it is, we need to add 1 to the year value. Here is the formula to extract the financial year from a date. This part of the formula extracts the year from the date using the Excel year function. We need to add 1 if the month number is greater than the month number of April. I have used the month function to extract the month number from the date. If the month number is greater than or equal to the month number of April, this part returns a true value, and if it is not, it returns a false value. Since it is a Boolean operation, Excel evaluates a true value as 1 and a false value as 0. So, for the months of April to December, 1 is added to the year value to make the date part of the FY 2025. For the months of January to March, the condition becomes false and 0 is added to the year value and the year remains 2024. Let's copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the financial year for all the dates. For the first 3 dates, that is January to March 2024, we got the financial year value as 2024. It means it is part of the financial year starting from 1st April 2023 to 31st March 2024. The rest of the dates belong to the financial year 2025 starting from April 2024 and ending on March 2025. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.